3000, this is Jay Cutler's drink. So this is supposed to help with weight management, building muscle, recovery. Also supposed to have some cognitive benefits as well. I have the gummy bear flavor, which tastes awesome in my opinion. You're basically supposed to take a tablespoon. I'll take a little bit here. It tastes really good. I'm not gonna take a lot, but it tastes like a gummy bear. It's freaking awesome. Be really careful because you probably could leave this around. If your kids got a hold of it, they probably would drink the whole thing because that's what it tastes like. It tastes so good. Also supposed to help with male reproduction. So I don't know, who knows? So this is the Jay Cutler stuff. I just want to come on here, kind of give you a view of the bottle and show you kind of what it looks like. You can see the ingredients here. Basically what you're looking at is the blend there on the bottom. So if you want to take basically a screenshot of it or slow it down, that's what you're looking at. Yeah, so this is like if you're kind of working out, lifting and stuff like that, or even running, it's probably something that you may want to consider at least trying out, see if it gives you energy, see if you feel any difference mentally, and also if it helps with your recovery. That's really what I'm taking it. As you get older, recovery becomes longer. So anything you do to help, I welcome it. So this is the Jay Cutler, L-Carnitine 3000.